Hello, welcome to another self-paced tutorial on using your Raspberry Pi. This video will illustrate the use of the R.G.E imager for making operating system images for the Raspberry Pi. There are two key objectives for this demonstration. One, prepare micro SD card with a supported operating system image. Two, select configuration options during image installation. For example, specify host name or enable SSH service. By configuring these two options during the preparation of the operating system image for the initial boot, the target computer can boot in headless mode without the need for a dedicated monitor, a keyboard, or a mouse. Raspberry Pi OS is the go-forward name for the official operating systems from Raspberry Pi Foundation. The R.G.E imager application is supported on the following platforms: Windows, Mac OS, and Ubuntu. Presentation does not illustrate the installation of the image on a Raspberry Pi hardware. The links in the slide correspond to the file to download for the respective platform to run the R.Pi imager application. Of course, for Ubuntu, the standard apt command can be used to install the application from the standard repository. Naturally, a reusable micro SD card is required when running the R.G.E imager application. Before launching the R.G.E imager application, confirm that there is an internet connection and a writable micro SD card connected to the desktop or notebook where the R.G.E imager application will run. Launch the R.G.E imager application. The main page of the application will display three buttons. First for OS selection, second for micro SD card selection, and the third button, right, is disabled until the selections from the previous two buttons are complete. The RPI Imager application will unmount the micro SD card after writing the operating system image. You can then take this micro SD card and install it in the Raspberry Pi hardware of your choice and boot up for the first time on that hardware. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching this video.